In this video, I'll share with you how to clean your sink drain to help eliminate odors. In this picture, you can see how dirty the drain was before cleaning. When it gets this dirty, I start to notice a mildew, moldy smell. The first step will be to remove the drain stop lever cap. You need to pull the lever out so you can remove the drain stop. Using a moist, clean cloth, I wipe off the drain stop lever and the ball. Now remove the drain stop, and because we're going to be running water down the drain, we're going to need to replace the drain stop cap and tighten it snugly so water doesn't leak out. Next, using a brush, scrub off all the biofilm from the drain stop. Next, I spray some disinfecting cleaner on it to help remove all the biofilm. Now that the drain stop is clean, I add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the drain. Then I add white vinegar until it starts to foam up to the top. This will help the cleaning process and help disinfect it. Here I'm going to use a 2-inch brush to clean my 1.5-inch drain. I'll leave a link for the brush I'm using in the description below. Because the brush is larger than the pipe, there'll be a fair amount of resistance. Therefore, I recommend holding the shaft with your other hand to prevent the shaft from bending. When you start pulling the brush out to the upper levels, you'll start getting some spray, so I suggest using a rag to cover it and keep the mess to a minimum. And keep the rag around it when you pull the brush out to prevent it from spraying in your face. Now just give the brush a quick rinse and you're ready to start to reassemble your drain. To reinstall the drain stop, we'll have to unscrew the drain stop cap and remove the drain stop lever. Then with one hand you'll insert the drain stop into the drain, and using the other hand reach under the sink and guide the drain stop lever into the hole at the bottom of the drain stop. You'll know the lever is inserted correctly once you feel that you can't remove the drain stop. At this point you can replace the drain stop cap and tighten it securely. Now test the drain stop to ensure it's functioning properly. Now I'll do a quick demo on how to do the same process for your shower. First, I remove the drain cover and pour some hot tap water in the drain. Next, in the sink, I just give the drain cover a good cleaning. Now I repeat the same process I did in the sink. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda and then add some vinegar to make it foam up. This will help the cleaning process and help disinfect it while we're doing it. Now using the 2-inch brush, we'll give the drain a complete scrubbing. Anytime you pull the brush above the surface, make sure you cover it with a rag to prevent splashing yourself in the face. Be sure to clean the upper area where the bracket holds the drain cover. Now you give everything a good rinse and you're ready to put the drain cover back in place. For the shower drain, I add these green gobbler drain sticks, which help eliminate some of the buildup of the biofilm. I add 1 stick once a month. This extends the amount of time between cleanings. I'll leave a link for this product in the description below. This has been a DIY Saver production. Hey, if you liked the video, click the like button. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe too.